Ich bin geboren in ein Luftkastell.
Günther is gone back and the book is væk.
Yes, and that's what Gammelnock said was the only thing that endelig not måtte ske.
Nej, what delen do we do?
Mein Vater war ein sehr berühmter Spurhund.
Yes, Günther, it's a very good winning, but we cannot understand it. What delen do we do?
The only forklaring that I can come in tanke om is that someone must have stolen the book.
Just what I skulle til to say.
Mein Vater war ein sehr berühmter Spurhund.
Yes, Günther, it's a good winning, but we don't understand it.
What's that?
What's what?
That's a hat. Made in Taiwan. That's not a Nisse hat, there.
That was da mærkværdigt. Why haven't we not seen that før now?
The only forklaring that I can come in tanke om is that the one who stole the book must have taped it.
Just what I skulle til to say.
Mein Vater war ein sehr berühmter Spurhund in Düsseldorf.
What is it he says all the time?
I'm not sure, vel.
Then try to find out. Use the parlør. Maybe it's a good winning. Maybe we can use it in another afsnit.
Berühmt. I'm not sure, vel, but I think that he says that his father was a famous track dog or something.
Oh, that's not a good winning.
Oh.
Hey, track dog and the hat.